Okay, well, it's been a while since I posted any videos, so we're going to start with the Mazda 626. Nice car. It's my dirty pig. Sounds like a pig, too. See if you can get a standard one of these to hold on to it. They don't make them, the automatic transmissions are just shit. Got 152,000 miles on it. But I tell you what, she squeals like a pig. Let me show you. True David's Barb startup. Cold start. Yeah. Gotta love that. Anybody could help me out with this. I have no idea. It's an alternator belt or something.